before insertion.
Alright, I'm playing some solo siege.
You've located a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it.
Alright. Just TK with buddy. Oh. Let's see. Why did I push?
The diffuser is no longer in your possession.
Okay.
Reload!
Alright.
One friendly operator remaining.
Another TK.
We have been eliminated.
Jeez. Bro got cooked. Kool-Aid, man. It's crazy. Yeah, I think this could work. Just gotta get scans though.
Friendly drone deployed. Op 4 is reinforcing its location.
Right, it's full. They got pulse. Last one's smoke. Meat.
Insertion in
Not
10
sure which
seconds. 5 seconds. Proceed to bomb's location and defuse it.
Alright.
Reloading.
Crazy. What?
Taking point.
They
Don't
killed me?
follow.
burning in around my heart. Oh, yeah. You're breaking up.
Be ready to engage Op 4.
No. Oh, let's do it.
Dropping bags!
10 seconds. 5 seconds left. Bomb located by Op 4.
Where are they? I guess I could do the campus.
Loading new mag! 말보다는 행동이지.
One friendly operator remaining.
Oh, shoot.
All friendlies were eliminated. Mission failed.
I gotta work on like long angles. 'Cause, like,
Be ready to engage Op 4.
alright.
Changing bags!
Where are the drones?
Down to 10 seconds.
So I keep forgetting I can see through smokes. Like, it's
5 seconds to count.
Let them come!
Oh,
Op 4 is
Swapping
located the bomb.
bags!
Be ready for hostile action.
Device deployed. EDD primed.
call.
Friendly is victorious. Hostile.
Alright, let's call group chat. Let's see. This is really loud. Great.
War machine. Goblin machine.
Be ready to eliminate hostiles.
Doorway trap. Stay clear of blast zone. Device prime. Keep an eye on door.
Seconds. 5 seconds to insertion. Op 4 has located a bomb. Get ready to engage.
Okay. That's
Clearing LOS.
Friendly operator remaining.
just wanna watch what happens. Alright, Sans. Chill, bro.
Bomb diffuser. Op 4 last. Diffuser located. Disable it. All friendlies were eliminated. Mission failure.
Hello.
Hello. I am recording.
Just stubbed my toe on. Wait.
That sucks.
I got put into dishonorable, so I can't play ranked.
Ah,
But on the bright side, I'm having like a 4KD in quick match.
nice.
I don't know. Someone just welcome me. Like being stupid. I don't know. And I got these gobstoppers. They're pretty awesome.
Nice.
Shit. Why is the serving size 9 gobstoppers?
I don't know.
How am I gonna eat 9 of these? Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
Makes me like 1. I had to go get the mail, so because I
Uh,
forgot my parents to do that before they got home, so I had to get on the 4 and run. All right, you can invite me.
yep.
Is it working?
Yeah, it should have sent it.
Do not see it. I see it. It just didn't show up. Never mind.
Okay.
It could just be because I've been playing on Xbox lobbies.
Yeah.
I'm not used to those. Dude, it was. I was playing match theme park. Like the aim on the teammates were actually insane. Like I feel like they look like they're aiming with their feet. Like the crosshair would go so far past the enemy, and then go. They try to like, correct it. You can go back the other way, and then go so
Yeah.
far. They go
Dude.
in like forward person. It's so bad.
Yeah, dude. I was at Holden's, right? We were doing D&D. And Andy was playing Siege on Holden's Xbox, right?
Yeah.
One of the teammates literally drew a circle around the enemy with bullets.
And then they all left, and it was like a 2v5. Still won.
Oh my gosh.
They turn you up a bit.
It's okay.
This music kind of sounds like Tamaka music.
Yeah.
I turned my sensitivity up, so it could be a factor.
Yeah. Messing with senses can be pretty good. I need to mess with my sense. I need to get it dialed.
But I've been having a lot of fun with visual.
Yeah, I recently got SMG-12 Black Ice and
Isn't
the
that like
Shotgun
a
Black
lot?
Ice, so yeah, it's like 1,000 credits, but
Like, are the credits like R6 credits?
yes, or 6 credits.
Okay. No, there's like a different marketplace credit.
No, it just goes based off of your R6 credits.
I mean, okay, that's good. Oh man. We got Ice. Icy.
Oh my
And
gosh.
GV's only one that's not on keyboard here. That's awesome.
That's great, man.
Imagine I still top. I still top, right?
Hmm.
Be ready to engage Op 4.
What map are we on again? I feel like the thing where you can go up here. Wait, no, they got rid of it. The event's over, I forgot. You can't go on the shark anymore with keyboards.
Yeah.
Because the event thing's over.
Oh, was there like
mean-
challenges or something I was supposed to do for that?
Down to 10
Yeah,
seconds.
you need to get all 75 of them.
Holy.
Down to 5
I think
seconds.
they get a scanner from them.
Door secured.
Op 4 has located a bomb.
Wait, no one went main entrance, dude.
I think they're all by. I think some are by me. I'm not sure though.
Yeah, I was one over there at least. Rest went side side.
Okay, my name is not.
I just saw like I was looking at the charge drone and he stared at me. What is GB doing, dude?
Okay, I got case over here, but Callie's on. Yeah.
Oh, it's Callan. I can hear someone down there. There's no way. Okay, I saw this guy like 30 times in the head. I think these state registrations are so baloney. It's insane.
Station deployed.
Glad it's a 1 HP though. How is she not dead?
Friendly remaining.
Number,
10 seconds to go.
number, don't push. Just run
5
away.
seconds remaining.
Shoot him reload. Oh my god. What am I looking at now?
Reach the time limit.
What? What the?
The glass got stopped dead in his tracks. He is not going for.
I'm going for defuse. I'm going for defuse. Just gets blasted.
Um. Um.
The masses. Just gathering.
Be ready to engage Op 4.
Just like witches and rats. Okay, man.
Alright, let's go get the drone now. So I definitely go for the spawn peak at main.
10
seconds.
I think all the drones came from that.
5 seconds to insertion.
Oh, you can't like.
Op 4 has located a bomb.
They're all going main.
Yeah.
I need to see this replay. Okay, Ubisoft, whatever you say, man. Definitely didn't just shoot. He shot a hard wall and it went through it. Whatever you say, man.
You have been spotted.
What the fuck are you doing, dude?
What? Okay. Why were they hanging back so much?
Oh my god. And this is the angle Galio gets, but dude. Shoot them! What are you?
What in the world?
Of course, awesome. Then he gets this. What? Like they turn on.
Siege timing definitely does not exist.
They like just turn on retard mode. Like. Lord, focus.
One friendly operator
Yes,
remaining.
that was genius.
Goblin
Alright, now
machine.
cancel.
Op 4, last
Okay.
operator
Oh,
standing.
Okay.
And thermite is not great, so it should be a easy win. I think Sledge had case outside, so
Op 4
That's fine.
eliminated. Mission successful.
bro just gets deleted.
Honestly, this might be a really. I hate that, but it's so bad.
Yeah.
I just don't. It's just such a weird area to have. What if we made Clubhouse but worse?
What if we took Clubhouse, drained all the water, took off part of the building, and then
Perfect. Clubhouse but with more runouts.
yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Friendly drone deployed. Op 4 is reinforcing its location.
What the fuck? Like, what's the point of putting one captain on a window?
They got a cab now?
Oh, they have no wall now? They don't. That's crazy. But I'm just waiting for
10
me. Dude.
seconds before insertion.
Waiting for me to
Cav
go out.
chased my drone all the way downstairs,
Insertion
bro.
in
I
5
should have
seconds.
just not even waited for it. I should have just got out the building.
Proceed to bomb the location.
Why
and
do you scan
defuse
them?
it.
That took way too long.
That's the wrong fucking button. Whoopsie. I smoked myself. Hold on, I'm kind of fired. Oh, it's not. It's a lie. What? Okay.
Loading your right. Time to move forward.
That's epic, dog. See the damn SMG-12, buddy. Man, ping.
Right, drone's
Yeah,
yeah,
like-
here it is. Okay. Probably
Oh, Lord.
free to hop in.
No, I don't want it. Why do we have defuse? Alright, we do. I don't want to hop in. Still got Cav around.
My man just got flicked.
1 Op 4 remaining.
She's in this room.
No longer in your possession. Friendly, last operator standing.
She
Where
might
was
be
she?
in she was in the corner on me. I'm not sure if she's there still.
Oh,
Drones.
damn.
Nice.
Get the hell out, get
Op 4 eliminated.
Stole my ace, bro. Stole my ace. Stole my ace. I know who the hell blocked me when I got hit by an LMI, but they were not very bright. They even shoot at me. They just stare at me.
Is he gonna do something?
Yo, I think he's concussed. Let me go help him.
Oh shoot, bro, you good?
Shot in the head.
You good? Oh, what's that banana like falling sound?
What up? What up? I don't know. Let's check my Let's see. Am I still just on? I'm still just on.
Yeah, you
Dude,
gotta
I
play a few.
played like 6 matches today. It didn't change once. Like
Hmm.
the positive, negative haven't even changed once.
Jeez.
I've only killed 10 teammates. Like, wait. So when a squad mate kills somebody, I get negative friendly fire.
Yeah.
What's that? Oh lord.
But this is great.
I don't like spawning catwalks. Then you can just get free ground, free camera scan. But like, honestly, this is a quick match.
Yeah.
Friendly drone deployed. Op 4 is reinforcing its location.
Whoa.
Got my wall. I want to try Devils.
No, Cats, you know you don't have to barricade everything. You have to
Nah, they have
reinforce
to
everything.
trust.
10 seconds to insertion.
He's reinforcing their rotate.
5 seconds.
Trust, they need it.
Proceed
They
to
need
bomb
as much protection
location.
as they can get.
Bro is not leaving sight.
Who wants to leave sight?
Not casual. I think only one hatch gets reinforced automatically, so maybe a one will be.
Some serious drywall work coming up. Take cover. It's hot. Flashbang.
How trash that was. That's right.
push behind Buck? Oh, was he roaming then?
Op 4 last stop standing.
Guys, what's going on here?
Rook is like out in that hallway. So you might wanna. I'm not sure where he is though.
What the fuck is spawning me? Are they a Valp?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why I mean spotted by scan. Fuck you. Hey buddy, can you grab defuse?
Rook's somewhere in that like area that I told you about, so he's not pushing. Jump out the.
No. Give me, bro. Okay.
Op 4 eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
What's he doing?
I don't know what Rook was doing. He was just kind of.
He got so long. Oof. I didn't do a single thing that round. I didn't even shoot somebody.
I broke a reinforced wall. Right. The guy who killed him is in chat saying, right when I shot the cam, I knew where he was.
Oh, dude, he's so good.
Wow. I'll try this again. He made it really obvious. Uh-huh. Okay.
Friendly drone deployed. Op 4
Yeah.
is reinforcing
So,
its
like,
location.
it was either I shot the cam, or it continued to spot me. Kind of like the point. Want me to just like not shoot the cam? Like, what do you want? What
Nah,
the fuck?
He's like, I don't know what he's doing, but he's like, okay.
There's one spot. 3 Jaeger cams in one, 3 things in one spot.
That's
And like,
crazy.
it's they're all there.
Ridiculous.
Buddy, yeah, you're supposed to.
We'll run
5
to
seconds
Quoby.
before insertion. You've located a bomb. Make your way to its location.
Operator's loading. Let's go.
Love when that happens.
Oh, wait, I got cam. I shot invisible cam. I think that's we're gonna sacrifice me. Thermite, do you know what you're doing? They're like actively pre-firing you. Buddy. All 4 here, dude. Oh my goodness.
Gotta hop in the building.
Thermite, go place your thermite charge. Thank you.
No idea what Rook was doing.
Quite a smoke.
Okay, that aim was. No idea what she was doing
Last
either.
stop standing.
I like get in the gunfight, dude. I'm like, I haven't done fucking anything.
I don't know what those people are doing. My ankle.
What the fuck is happening?
I don't even know, bro. Like,
I haven't seen a
Things-
single fucking.
things keep happening.
I haven't seen a person yet. Like, when I'm on defense, I go Virgil.
To go Virgil, I'll go Woodon. I'll go Radon from Godzilla.
Be ready to engage Op 4.
Oh yeah, quick, quick, quick.
know if I should up my sensor or not.
Activating jammer. Loading new magazine.
10 seconds remaining.
Jammer ready.
5 seconds.
Was spotted by a scan.
Op
I
4
don't
has
like
located a
that
bomb.
much.
Be ready for hostile action.
Oh, I think I hear him. Just a little bit.
Activating C4.
Making I find a person now.
The bomb diffuser has been successfully deployed.
Oh,
Friendly, last operator standing.
so oh my god!
Mission failed. All friendlies were eliminated.
They all three swung at the same time. Dude. Hmm. Oops, I'll play Go-Yo.
Be ready to engage Op 4.
Explosive ordnance is ready.
Loading mag!
Getting Vulcan set up.
You placed the fucking camera, dude. What the fuck are you doing?
Vulcan is up.
Stand clear. Ambush set. Stay clear.
Down to 10 seconds.
I am reloading!
Great aim there, Sam.
5 seconds.
Just amazing.
Bomb located by Op 4.
This AMP. This AMP. Spotted by Stan. What are these castles, though? Capcan? Okay. I didn't really want to reinforce that one, but I guess we are. Oh. That's like kind of crazy how you don't get the heal for that. Like, what? Did I see him repelling?
Reinforce ball!
What is this stupid ass music, dude? The sound whenever someone dies. Like, I'm still dead to see a fucking person, dude. What is this? haven't seen a fucking human being on the enemy team. I feared. Oh yeah. I'm gonna throw a thing tackle out here. Okay, move your fat head, dude.
Op 4, last operator standing.
Nice.
Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
I think it's a kill.
Yo, folded.
Oh. Yeah, I saw one person there. I just saw a whole one person. Okay, I got commended for Valor. Like Valorant. Is that what I mean? Well, that's found. Let's go, dude.
Yo.
Now, if you put us in the match, how about that? You know? That'd be nice. Cafe. I once called Cafe Cave.
That's
It's epic.
pretty funny, actually.
Ow.
Yeah. Yeah, like, give me 3 minutes.
Oh.
Friendly drone
Yeah.
deployed. Op 4 is reinforcing its
This
location.
round, I'm gonna work up construction core and stuff.
Okay. Let's not this.
Oh, I missed.
10 seconds to insertion.
No. Oh.
5 seconds.
There you go. Oh.
Located a bomb. Make your way to its location and defuse it.
Guess my thing will just be that.
Disabling electronics.
Your foot, bitch. Come here.
Changing max.
Stinky down there.
Calling.
I'll grab us some intel.
Four last stop standing.
Oh, I see him. That was WA.
Alright.
Op 4 neutralized. Mission successful.
I shall return.
Mic off.